Assalamualaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. Today we will continue with the same topic, direct variation from Complete Mathematics, page number 183. And I can give you one more question, one more example with a different way. Look at the question. The question, most important point is that you have to highlight the important points in the question. If you can see, the question is A varies directly. So highlight the word directly. So you came to know that the question is related to direct variation or indirect variation. Y varies directly as square of R. This time, there are two variables which are related to each other. A varies directly with the square of R. So square of R. How to write the equation? We will write the equation like this. A is equal to K times R square. This is our equation, which is most important in the whole question. If this equation is correct, you can solve the rest of the question easily. So now, after that, the first point should be that you have to solve this equation for finding the value of this K, which is constant in the equation. How to solve that question? We will use the values before the word calculate, which are A is equal to 12 and R is equal to 2. How to solve that? Write the same equation. A is equal to K times R squared and substitute those given values which are before the word calculate. I'm going to substitute A is equal to 12, K we want to find out, and R is given 2 and square of that. As you can see, this is a square. So first of all, we need to simplify this one. 12 is equal to K, 2 square is 4. This 4 is multiplied with the K. When you take it to other side, it is going to be divide, and we are getting the value of K. K is equal to 3. This K is equal to 3. Better to substitute at the beginning equation, this one. So it will be A is equal to, in place of K, we are going to represent 3 times R squared. So now this is your equation which you are going to use to solve the A part and B part. Let's start A part. A part of the question is that you want to find out the value of A. You have to find out the value of A when R is equal to 5. R is equal to 5. So substitute this one in given equation. A is equal to 3R squared. When we are going to substitute the values, A we want to find out, 3 will be same as, and R value is given 5. It will be 5 square. We know that the 5 square is 25. 25 3 times is 75. So your A value answer is 75. This is the answer of the first part. Now move to the B part. The B part of the question is, you want to find out the value of R. R we want to find out, and A is equal to 48. Let's start with the same equation. A is equal to 3 times R squared. Substitute the value. This time A value is given 48. This is 3. R we want to find out. It will be R squared. As we want to find out the value of R, 3 is multiplied with that value. Take the 3 and divide to other side. 48 divided by 3 is equal to R squared. And we are getting the value of R squared, which is 3 1s are 3 and 3 6 are 18. It is 16. We want to find out the value of R, but it is R square. You know how we are going to remove this square? By taking square root on both sides. We are writing over here by taking square root on both sides. As we are taking the square root on both sides, the answer is going to be, the answer will be R square root is equal to 16 square root. And what my answer is, R is equal to plus minus 4. This is your second final answer. So I'm going to minimize. You can see the whole question here. This is your whole question. Question number 4. First of all, if you identify direct variation, write the equation according to direct variation, solve it for K, then K value substitute in the first equation, solve it for A part, and then solve for B part. Thank you so much. I hope you understand.